everyone, I'm Dr. T.
And I'm Dr. Lee from the Braces Practice.
And we straighten teeth.
Today's topic, we're covering one of the most frequently asked questions. Is ceramic or metal braces better?
If you're new to our videos, you might want to check out our previous video on what braces are and what they do.
The most obvious difference between ceramic and metal braces is the way they look. Metal braces stand out more and they have the more typical braces appearance.
You can spice it up with colourful modules more commonly known as rubber bands to suit your mood and occasion. It doesn't have to be all colourful and bright. Choosing grey, silver or colourless rubber bands can keep it simple and neutral.
Ceramic braces, on the other hand, blends in with the colours of your teeth. They look less obvious on photos and are the obvious choice for people who are
Influencers? They can look almost invisible from a distance too, although the metallic wire can still be seen if you stand close enough. Rubber bands are used too, although these are the colourless type.
Certain foods such as curry and coffee do stain the rubber bands, making them yellow and unsightly.
But don't worry, the rubber bands are changed during the monthly visits.
Woo! Green cut, blue cut, orange cut, pink cut, rainbow cut.
Generally speaking, metal braces do cost less due to its lower material cost. The material cost of making ceramic braces can be 10 times or more that of metal braces because it's more difficult to make. So which is better in straightening teeth? Metal or ceramic? By and large, metal braces and ceramic braces do give similar efficiency and speed, although some people do report that ceramic braces are a little bit slower. So Dr. Tay, does ceramic braces break easily?
Most major brands are manufactured to high quality standards, so they do not break that easily. However, ceramic braces can still chip off more easily than metal braces.
So Dr. Tay, which is more painful?
When the teeth are moving, you will usually feel a little sore and sensitive to pressure for about a week. This pain is usually quite different from toothache pain, which is sharp.
So in this respect, metal and ceramic braces, they do fare quite equally, right?
Yes, I think I'll consider them a draw.
So to sum it up, metal and ceramic braces, the choice is really yours. It depends on your requirements and preferences.
That's all from us today.
If you have any questions about braces, please leave us a comment below and stay tuned for more videos from us. Bye!